to this live practice session. It's nice to have you guys here. Thank you so much. We're going to I took two trades before you guys actually before I was able to engage the live button. Let me quickly explain those two trades. Now I've been tracking this market for a while now, and the market has been like moving funny. You understand? I lost this third breakout, thinking price will reject from here. But price did not reject from here. Eventually, when the price broke this level, I was I wanted to take a point of decision trade. So I was able to find this particular entry, this entry here. So what I did was I went to lower time frame to search for an entry inside this area. And look at this. I was able to find one in S15. You see this doji, this is our entry. So immediately price came back into this entry. If you go to M1, you'll see what I'm saying. So immediately price came into this entry. I took this trade here and pulled back and gave us a winning trade. Then I took another one again, and that was that. Hey, Sylvain, thank you so much for joining. Q60. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. Hey, Terry, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you guys. The open-minded chef, thank you so much for joining. Oh wow, this is amazing. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. As soon as you join the live, please let us like the video ASAP, like immediately, so that YouTube can recommend it to the rest of our friends. So let me quickly touch on the setup for today, because hey Phoenix, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes. It's nice to have you, Phoenix. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, you know what? Let's quickly go before we continue. Let's go ahead with today's setup. Yes, I'm still a bit lost on how to identify supply and demand. Okay, cool. But have you been watching the live trade session videos I told you to watch, the playlists? So let me get your answer first before I will know what to say. So because I know I explained a lot about supply and demand inside those videos. You understand? So today's setup, we're going in with the chart type is going to be candlesticks over here, and when you enable the timer, so we enable the timer here, and we disable this auto scroll thing. Then if we come to the time frame, we're going to be trading M1, the 1 minute time frame. And down here at the trade time, we're using M1, you understand, but we're using the flag mode. This is the flag mode and this is the regular mode. So we're using the flag mode, you understand, and we choose M1, then we'll make sure that this second hand is always on 0. It's very important. This auto time offset should be on too, you understand. You don't touch it, just leave it. So we're going on M1, and that's it basically. So now I was going full margin before. Actually, let me show you. Look at this. I was going full margin before, but right now I'm going to go with 12.5% of our balance. So I'll just revert back to 12.5%. You can see this is it. So let's look. We have a QM here also. Let me quickly show you. We have a QM setup up here. Look at this. It's ABC to the upside, push to the downside. And the first thing we did, we went to a higher time frame. You understand? We didn't see in M3, so we'll go to M5. You can see we have the engulf in M5. Then we'll go to lower time frame to find the entries. So in S30, we didn't see any entry in S30, but S15, look at this, no entry in S16 also. So we'll keep going down, the time frame until we find the a fresh. What is it? Okay, I guess I couldn't find one in this is an entry here, but it's not fresh, so I'm not going to take that. So must our QM entries be above? Yes, it has to be above the QM shoulder. It, like from experience, above the QM shoulder is where you want your trades to be. If it's on the shoulder itself, or below it, your probability is not high. You understand? The probability is not high if it's not there. So it's very, very important that you maintain. You know what? Let me remove this one and redraw it. Oops. Okay, you know what? Let me just. Okay, I think this is the one. Okay, let me redraw it. Okay, cool. You can see there's an entry inside the QM shoulder. Sometimes it may work, but I can tell you your probability, like the highest probability ones, are going to be above it. And that is why most of the time I just go ahead to mark the ones above. You understand? It's very, very important because there are some things experience will teach you, but sometimes you don't want to know if it's a good experience or not a bad experience. So if you have somebody who has experience in something and is teaching you something, I usually don't want to find out myself. So I just take the person's experience, unless maybe after a while I'm mature enough to like make my own decisions. But if I've not gotten to that point, I just take the person's decision. I just trust that decision and know that okay, I don't have to find out or I don't have to be experienced, either a good or bad experience. I don't want to know. So basically, that's how I do my things. I try not to learn by my own experience too much. So I leverage other people's experience and it works for me. You understand? So now let's look for other opportunities in the market and I will explain all the trades. Clay, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Bread and butter gang. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys are feeling great today. I'll keep this one as a yeah, thanks for the emoji also. That's beautiful. Now, guys, if you are getting value from this channel, I want to say this ahead. Please go ahead and support the channel. I really appreciate if you can support the channel right now. There's a whole lot of upgrades we're trying to make. And trust me, it's going to really, really improve your viewing experience. You understand? I heard some people were suggesting that we go horizontal instead of vertical yesterday. You understand? I would really appreciate if we can do that. You understand? Now I'm making moves to do that, but it's going to be an expensive move. So if you guys can support the channel in any way, I really appreciate that. Just by sharing the live video itself, it's another thing. You understand? And you can also make use of the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers. Azik, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. So you can make use of the super stickers, all the supers, and there's one I'm really big on right now. It's the Barter-Pro YouTube membership. I really like if a lot of you can just consider joining the Barter-Pro YouTube membership. There's a lot of like very, very good very, very good benefits actually. Like the YouTube channel members get early access to most of the content that we post. You understand? You must have seen a few videos, that most of the members do get early access to those. There are some shorts also that some of them are members only and some of them are like early membership access. So all those things, and there's one big one coming soon, very, very, very soon. So you can just click that join button beside the subscribe button and join the Barter-Pro YouTube membership. It's very, very amazing. So you guys can consider that. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, if you're a beginner here, please just give me a minute. Like, I don't mean a minute literally, like actually anything between like 3 to 5 minutes. Just give me some few minutes. I'm going to announce how you guys can get started with trading binary options also on your own. So I feel like just clearing this, but I don't think I should clear it. Let me just readjust to this. We have a third breakout here. If price breaks this level, we can go with the sellers. You understand? We can actually take the trade because this area is a strong sellers area, so we can take this trade based on the sellers over here. Okay, I think it's going to happen now. If this candle breaks and close up here, we're going with the sellers. So let's just do it right away. That's so nice. We have it's like a common point of rejection. But though it's a small common point of rejection, but I believe it's gonna work. So let's mark it. It's over here. Oh, the sellers are already pulling back. You know what? If price comes back here, I'll take the trade to the downside. I know the sellers may come in, but taking the trade here is not the probability is not on the high side. But if price comes up here, yes, we can take the risk. Let me reduce the risk amount. But I need the price to come up here. If it doesn't come up here, then we are not taking the trade. It's as simple as that. If it doesn't come up here, no. But if it comes up here, fine, we can take the trade. Under this round number, I'm going to go with the buyers. But if it doesn't go under the round number, no way. I'm not taking the trade too. Is it coming under the round number? Yes, I'm taking the trade now. Now, somebody will be wondering why under that round number. I'll tell you. Okay, I was expecting a pullback, but that did not happen. No problem. But I'll still tell you why. Okay, it's not valid. There's no point me telling you again. It's not actually valid. I thought it was going to happen, but it didn't happen. So I will still wait for. Let me go back to 12.5%. We will still wait for price to come up here. If it doesn't come, then fine. We're not taking the trade. So let's just look for another opportunity in the market. This should be a beautiful third touch, but it's not a third touch anymore. We have multiple touches on that level already. So guys, beware of third touch mimics. Like they look like third touch, but they are not actually. There's a QM here. There's a QM here. Let's check M3 and M5 if you have the engulf. No engulf. Okay. But I won't consider this as a good QM setup. Andrew, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. I've explained this reason like 1,000 times now. Sorry, I wouldn't be explaining it today, but I have my reasons actually, and I've explained it several times. Maybe somebody in the comment section may be able to answer you because I'm tired of actually answering the question today. So I'm not going to be answering that question today. Yes, I thought as much too. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, I know that you probably just joined. That's why but a lot of people that have joined actually already got the reason. You understand? But I just don't feel like answering today, so I'm not answering. Oh my god. Okay. Let me you know what? Let me clear this market. We'll look for a very good opportunity. I'm looking for a very nice decision point trade. That would be beautiful. I'm looking for a very nice decision point trade. That would be amazing if we could get that to happen. This is very nice. Now, I know somebody was asking like how to find very good supply and demand. See, anytime, or you know what? Let me quickly answer your question. Now, this is it. You see, anytime you see a move to the upside like this kind of move, you see the beginning part of that move is always a supply or a demand. You see this area now? This is a demand area. But the ones that are very, very obvious are the ones that look like engulf. Like, look at this. Hey, Wealth Health, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, I got your message earlier today. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much. Now look at this. This area is an order block. But I can tell you that inside this area, you will find a demand inside. You get the gist. Hey, Mujid, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Our class governor is back. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yes. So somebody will be wondering, like, class governor. Do you guys have class governor? Yes, we have a class governor, and he's just back. He just got back. You understand? So thank you so much, Mujid. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So look at this now. We have an order block here. You see that order block? There's a demand inside. I can tell you for a fact there's a demand. So what do? We'll go to lower time frame. Yeah, so guys, please go ahead and like the video. I would really appreciate if you can like this video right now. Yes, please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, you can see now. I told you we have. Hey, Shola, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes. Okay. Shola said he's a class errand boy. Everybody's taking their position. Who is going to be our janitor now? Or who is going to be our accurate timekeeper? Or who will be our protocol officer? Everybody's taking their positions now. No problem. Oh my god. This is so funny right now. This is so funny. Okay, okay, fine. Seed off. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, you want to join the mentorship. Oh, okay. Well said is the time is it's gonna be the typer. Yes, Seed off. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, guys, please let's like the live session, please. I would really appreciate if you can like the live session. Now, Seed off. Let me quickly answer your. Let me quickly answer your question. If you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, all you need to do is to click the Telegram channel link in the description. You understand? We have a Telegram channel link in the description. Just click on it. And yes, guys, please double tap your screen to like the video. You understand? So all you need to do, Seed off, click the Telegram channel link and send me a message on Telegram. You understand? Let me know you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, and let's go with the sellers here. I'm expecting the sellers to come in here, though I should have waited for a confirmation, but I'm taking another one here because we have this week on week. Hey Meroni, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. I'm expecting a red candle here. Okay, we have a supply area above this round number. Let me take one more here. I'm expecting this pullback. We have a supply here. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Yes. Oh, I would really love it if this pullback can just happen and come back to under this round number right here. We have 10 seconds. Yes, yes. Calm down. Oh, come on. Last 2 seconds. Sometimes I wonder what. Yes. Yes, BMBG family. You guys already gave yourselves names. So in a way, though, I kind of like that name, BNBG family. We should have a logo. Yeah, Bread and Butter Gang family. It makes sense. Sit off. Yes. Oh, that's good. All right, no problem. Sit off. I'm going to reply your message as soon as. So all you need to do when you get to the Telegram channel link, you understand. Send me a message on Telegram. Now, if you want to send me a message on Telegram, click that at Barter-Pro mentorship tag. It's like a blue tag. You see it on in the message. Just click at Barter-Pro mentorship. Once you click on it and send me a message, I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay. Like the video. Thank you so much for everyone who has liked the video so far and like the video. There's so much value on this channel. If you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. Dreamworks, thank you so much for joining. This goodwill here, my second account. I don't understand. I'm back. This is God's will. Okay. Oh, your second account. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, please let's go ahead and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe already. Let me quickly announce to all the new guys in the house. You understand, all the beginners. So if you're a beginner here and you would like to you like to learn how to get started with binary options trading, let me quickly show you how it's going to work. Almond Almond 2009, thank you so much for joining. Now, what you need to do is, the first thing you need to do is to subscribe to the channel right now. You understand? Just click the subscribe button right now, because I'm telling you, this is the best binary options channel you like, you understand, that you can actually find on internet. And trust me, I've been around a lot. You understand? Yeah, when I started, I didn't find any channel like this that could help, binary options traders. You understand? Now, the second thing I want to say is that if you don't have an account, we have a registration link in the description. Click on it's called the broker link. So just, it's the same platform we are using right now. Click the broker link and it will take you straight to the agent 1RBLX. Thank you so much for joining. I love that name. It sounds like one CIA agent. Thank you so much for joining. So all you need to do, if you don't have an account, click the registration link in the description below and register with your email. And once you register with your email, you can also verify your account basically. Now, once you are done doing that, you need to come back to this channel, because I have something for all the beginners in the house. You understand? Now go to the playlist section of this channel, to the playlist section right now, and look for the playlist called binary option for beginners. It's very, very important that you go binary option for beginners. You understand? That's where you get all the foundational knowledge that you need. You understand, to get started. Now, once you are done with all the 16 videos, because I specifically like selected those videos for all the beginners, so you need to watch all the beginners, guys. It's very important that you listen carefully. If you miss any of these videos, you are going to be asking questions, a lot of questions in the live. I won't be able to answer you, because I know that those questions have been answered already inside that beginners playlist. All you need to do is watch it, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment section of the beginner playlist. I will answer you. Yes, that's all you need. What's the difference between binary option and pocket option? Now, binary option is the general term for options, like for the binary options trading. Pocket option is a broker. It's just a broker that offers binary option services. You understand? So binary option is the platform. Pocket option is the platform. Binary option is actually the real term you call the style of trading. Just like when you have futures trading, you have futures trading, but there's a lot of platforms that offer futures trading. You understand what I'm saying? We have forex trading. There's a lot of other platforms that offer forex trading, but forex trading is the umbrella name. You understand? Just as binary option is the umbrella name. I hope you guys get it. Guys, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel right now. You understand? There's so much value on this channel. I'm telling you, you get the gist. So all you need to do is to just click. Please let the, yes, say Barter-Pro 8635. Thank you so much for joining. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, but I couldn't read it properly. But thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you. Hope you're feeling great today. So all you need to do is just join the Barter-Pro. Just click the distance. Now, the next set of people I want to address. Hey, Godion, it's nice to have you here. Hello, what pair are you trading today? I'll be trading a lot of pairs. We have plenty pairs to trade actually. You understand? I'm yet to choose the next pair we're going to be trading. You understand? So I'll just be switching between the pairs to look for opportunities. And when we find opportunities in the market, we're going to trade it. I think I might. Oh, you know what? Let me go back one. I'm going to go with the buyers after this. I'm expecting from M2 chart. I'm expecting the buyers to come in. Let me show you. This is M2. I'm expecting the buyers to come in. You understand? We have this regular pattern on M2, and it's going to affect M1 also. So I'm expecting the buyers to be able to push the price up right now. Where do we find the beginners video? It's inside the playlists. The playlist section, you will see it. It's called binary option for beginners. Like if you go to the channel, when you click the video section, you see playlists. Also, like you see shorts, videos, live, then you see playlist, then you see some other ones like that. Just click the playlist section and look for the playlist called binary option for beginners. You understand? It's as simple as that. Just find it and watch all the 16 videos there. Guys, it's very important that you don't miss any of the videos. I'm telling you. Now, those videos may not look interesting. Let me warn you ahead. They may not seem very interesting, but you see, information inside is very crucial for you to learn. It's very important that you get the information, because that is okay. I was explaining to someone the other day that, okay, that's a beautiful trade. Oh, that was a beautiful trade. Look at this. In M2 we have a red green pattern, you understand, but that really worked for us. We're going to have another green candle here, but I'm not going to take the trade here because we're actually trading M1. But I took the trade because of the M2. And there's a doji here. We have a doji here. You know what? Before let me quickly finish the announcement. Then we'll come back into the trades, because I really want to take all the trades. You understand? Oh, Banor. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce that name. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. What country is that? Why can't I pronounce that name? It doesn't look like English at all. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Now, Banu Prakash sounds Indian. When I hear Prakash, it sounds like an Indian name. What country is that? Hey, Dre Years 5173. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Now, there's one set of people I want to really address quickly. Now, if you are the type that you want me to teach you personally, yeah, you want me to train you, that you go ahead and join the Barter-ship. The link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is the Telegram channel link in description. Just click. Hey, Cockta, thank you so much for joining. B3B, it's nice to have you here. Yeah, your name sounds like out to D2. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, please, let's go ahead and like the video. Let's subscribe to the channel. You understand? If you're here to subscribe already, please go ahead. Just click the subscribe button right now. You understand? There's so much value on this channel. So if you're the type that you want me to teach you personally, you understand, and you like that one-on-one mentorship, we're going with the sellers after this candle. This is a thought breakout and it's a beautiful one. But you know what? Let me look for more. The network is not doing too well today, but I'm still gonna take this trade. I'm expecting the sellers to come in after this. I've seen a supply area up here above where the market is currently right now. Above, that's why we are seeing that rejection. I'm taking the trade. We're going with the sellers. It goes up again, I'll take one more. I'm expecting the sellers. I'm going to keep taking because I'm expecting the pullback. So we have a third breakout. First thought low, second thought lower low. Actually, and if it doesn't happen, fine. But I'm really expecting it. Let me see. Okay. Okay. He's not going to pull back, but no problem. I'm going to take another trade. I'm expecting a pullback here. I'm expecting another pullback here. So let's see. We have that exhaustion candle breaking this level. You understand? If it doesn't happen now, it's going to be very devastating. But I'm expecting the sellers to come in now. Also, because we have. Okay. Hey Azik, it's nice to have you here. Thanks so much for joining. I'm going to finish that announcement now. Just give me 10 seconds. I hope they don't push in the last second. Okay, cool. This is nice. There's a supply area up here. If price comes back to the supply area, we can still take one more trade. Because we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. So if price comes up here, we can take one more trade. I'm expecting a red candle, but I won't take it immediately here. So now, guys, please let's go ahead and like the video. Now, do, all you need to do is to click the Telegram channel link in the description and send me a message on Telegram. Let me know you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost. I'll give you all the information you're going to need, how long it will take, and what's going to be like, and I'll just give you all the lowdown basically. You understand? Now I need to tell you ahead, it's a paid service. You understand? It's not free of charge. You understand? Now, all the videos on the channel are free of charge, but my services, the Barter-Pro mentorship services, are not free of charge. I need to be aware of that ahead of time. You understand? So, thank you so much for doing that. Let's look for a very good trade. The reason why I took this trade is because we have this evening star pattern, and I'm expecting a pullback. Like I'm expecting a retracement. I'm looking down to see if we have a demand area here, because on the demand area, but I'm not sure price will come there. If price comes there, I'm going to take the trade. Though right where we are now, it's a very good place to enter, but the demand area is in S5. Okay, we're already seeing the pullback. There's a demand area here. Okay, was that a winning trade? Oh, that's beautiful. That was a winning trade. We took the trade right down here. I was expecting a green card, but that did not happen. So normally, when you have an evening star pattern like this, you can expect a retracement, but I waited for margin of safety under this level. I took the trade down here and price pulled up. So this was the demand area I was expecting. Is a kind of overlapping level. I was waiting. Now we have a QM down here. Let's see if we have M3 confirmation. So we have M3 confirmation here. Look at this. This is beautiful. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. I would really appreciate if you can do that. Let's check S30. Okay, we have an entry down here. I'm going to take a trade if it comes into this week on week. The one I marked recently. I'm going to take a rejection trade. Immediately price touches that place, I'll take a rejection trade. Or I'll wait for this round number here, down here, then I'll take the trade. Or you know what? Let me split it in two. If price touches, I'll take, then if it comes under the round number, I'll take another one. You understand? This is a very good, I'm expecting a very good push to the upside. So if price enters into this entry, we will go with the buyers immediately. New Solomon, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So we are taking one right here. If it pulls down and comes under this round number, I'll take another one. I'm waiting for it patiently. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the pullback. Okay, fine. That's good. Good. That's a beautiful one, actually. But I had to reduce the risk amount, because sometimes when you are taking certain trades, let's go with 10% this time around. So you can see now I'm reducing my risk percentage as we're going high. As we're going high, I'm reducing the risk percentage. You understand? We have an entry down here. We'll wait for it, and that entry is also a demand area. Momentum coming down right now, so we need to be very careful, because when you see markets moving like this in short candles like this, we may end up having a very long candle to the downside, or we'll have a very long candle to the upside. So we need to be very careful, but we will still go ahead and take our trades. You understand? Inside this entry, this exact area is a demand area. You understand? Look at this. This is a demand area. So price may be rejecting from the demand area on its own, but what we're waiting for is that entry to take our trades. We're not going to take the trade on this demand area. You can see under this round number is rejecting, but we're not going to take that trade. We will wait for price to come into this entry, then we will take the trade here. So that's just going, and it's going to probably give us a double bottom. You understand? Okay. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys are feeling great today. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. There's so much value on this channel. Trust me, there's so much value. Okay, we have a QM here. You know what? Let me clear all this so we can have a very clear view of what's happening in the market. This is a QM. Hey, Learn First Academic. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Yes, guys, please let's go and like the video. You see, I'm really a fan of us liking the video as a community. Like we'll just do it at once. You understand? It's gonna be really be amazing if you can do that. Thank you so much for liking the video. You understand? It's one of those ways you can support me. Because I know some people will be thinking like, I don't have money to support this guy. You can just support by liking the video. You understand? You can also support by sharing the videos. You understand? It's another way of supporting the channel. Then you can make use of the super chat, the super thanks, or the super stickers. You can do that. The one I really prefer most of the time is that you join the Barter-Pro YouTube membership. You understand? Just join the YouTube membership. You understand? It's one of the ways you can support us too. You understand? Very soon, I'll be making some very big modifications, and they cost a lot actually. The estimate right now in my head is close to maybe like anything between 3,000 to like maybe $4,500, and I'm gonna do it eventually. So don't worry about it. But but your support will go a long way. That's exactly what I mean. I'm trying to say, and it's really going to improve your viewing experience. Trust me. By the time I really do it, you will see what I'm talking about. I'm working on it right now as we speak. You understand? It's really gonna like it won't be tiny like this anymore. It will be big. You'll be seeing like bigger icons. Everything will be clear. You understand? We'll be able to do illustrations. I'll be able to like use better pointer tools and all that. So it's gonna be way better than any banner option channel that I'm telling you. Trust me when I say so. All the banner option channels, what we're planning cooking right now, they don't have it. They don't have anything close to it. You understand? So trust me, it's gonna be amazing. You understand? So if you can support the channel, that support will go a long way. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate. We have a we have a demand down here. I'm going to take the trade immediately. Price enters this demand. Oh, come on, come into our demand now. Let's take the trade. They reversed on this round number. They pulled back on this round number. Oh, okay. I missed the timing. Now the price is going to close on the next candle, but it's probably still going to be a winning trade. Actually, let's see. It's probably going to be a winning trade. Let's see if the buyers don't like reject the price, and well, let's see what happens basically. Though it's a very risky trade. I'll tell you why I took the trade. Let me explain the reason why I took the trade. I know it's a risky trade. It's not really based on any strategy like that. But we have this common point of rejection, and I was expecting a pullback after this common point of rejection. So I was targeting this round number. You understand? So eventually now, let's see. Come on. Oh wow, it was a winning trade. We probably won by 2 points. That was crazy. We won by 2 points. Now that was a lucky trade, guys. So sometimes you will get lucky like this, but don't think because you got lucky, you're always going to get lucky like that. No, don't do that. You understand? But it's fun sometimes when you get lucky like this. Oh, okay. Oh, we would have lost this trade if I was in the market, because I would have taken the trade for a rejection and it wouldn't have happened. Hey guys, everyone, Gemworld is in the house. Gemworld, welcome. It's nice to have you here. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you for joining to this live session. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Gemworld is one of the OGs of this channel. So anytime she comes to the live like that, she gets this special um recognition. So thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today, Gem World. It's nice to have you here. Guys, please let me welcome Gem World specially. See, back to back, Gem World has been supporting this channel financially a lot. You understand? And she's been doing it back to back. She doesn't back down. She doesn't stop. She doesn't take a day off. You understand? Sometimes I'm beginning to wonder, like, what would we really do to deserve this? But I know that there are some people like that. They just have this passion to like support the channel, and they are doing it back to back. So if God puts it in your heart to support the channel like this, guys, don't hesitate. Go ahead and do it. If you want to become like Gemworld, all you need to do, yeah, if you want to become an OG like Gemworld, all you need to do is to go ahead and support the channel by making use of the super thanks, just to say thank you. You can make use of super chat. You can also make use of the, oh, I saw one name there, King Trust. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. So so that's how it is basically. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Can't see anything from here. Oh, really? Oh, it might be the bad network. Sorry about that. But just give it some few minutes. It does get better after a while. Okay. Thank you so much for doing that. I think it's the bad network. Yes. Sometimes the network just, it's part of those things I was talking about when I was talking about the upgrade. You understand? Upgrading to a better internet service is very expensive where I am right here. But I'm going to do it for you guys. Trust me, I'm going to do it. I'm saving up for it currently. You understand? It takes a lot of money to get a Starlink right now. Um, to get Starlink right now, I think I can't remember how much it, maybe about $1,000 or $1,500. I really don't know the amount yet. You understand? But I know it's costly, and the monthly subscription is even crazy too. You understand? But we're gonna do it definitely. We're definitely gonna do it. So you understand? I'm gonna make sure that we get the best internet services we can get. Victor, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So let's look for another opportunity in the market. Let's look for a beauty. I'm still looking for a very nice. Okay, we have a price channel here. Let's mark this price channel. You know what? Let me mark this level first quickly. There's a level here. Then we have this price channel. Let's mark this price channel quickly. You see, we mark all the seller's entry. You can see. Then we'll mark the buyer's entry too. This is the buyer's entry. You can see. Now, we may have a breakout here. But see, when we have that breakout, oh, we have a QM here. That's good. MFM, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. It's just a bad network. The network it's been doing like that since, and I really don't know what to do. Unless I would have to like reset the whole network and start the live again. And sincerely, I'm really reluctant to do that right now. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. But it's gonna clear after a while if you give it some time, okay? Yes, I'm really very sorry about that. Don't worry, we are going to get a very good internet service. That would be way better than what we have currently. Currently we are just using what we have, but eventually we're going to get something better. Okay. We have a very good supply area here. It's an internal supply. So I really apologize for the bad network. Yeah, the time frame is 1 minute. Busy Beats. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, Busy Beats. I think I know Busy Beats. Wow, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, Busy Beats. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Hope you're feeling great today. I really want to go with the buyers here, and I'll tell you why. We have an evening star pattern. I'm expecting, I'm expecting that pull to the upside, but this might be the best entry. Let's mark this quickly. Thank you so much for joining Busy Beats. It's nice to have you here. Oh, come on, it's gonna be a losing trade. Okay, I'm still gonna go with the buyers. I'm expecting the buyers to come in. I'm expecting the buyers to come in actually, and we have a gap down in favor of the buyers. So let's see how it goes. Oh, come on! I wasn't expecting this to like pull to the downside. Yes, I like that emoji. Thank you so much, Victor. It's nice to have you here. Oh, I think I saw a name there. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now, if you guys observe something, one of the things I'm doing is, as the balance is increasing, I'm reducing my risk amount or my risk percentage. Now, and it's actually for a reason. You understand? See, sometimes when you get or when you are beginning to like amass some big amounts of money in the market, you need to be more careful with the balance. Your job is to protect your balance as much as you can. So it will not hurt you to reduce the risk amount you are taking, unless maybe you are extremely sure about that trade you are taking. You understand? You have like all the confirmations, and even at that, you still need to be very careful. You understand, with the trades, because trust me, it's very easy to just blow your accounts like very fast. But if you can just manage, if you can just manage to have this dynamic risk management going for yourself, it's going to be great. You understand? I'm going with here, but I won't go with the sellers immediately. I'll wait for price to. Oh, okay. I can take trade with the sellers here, and I'll tell you why I'm taking the trade. Look at this price channel. We have this market sequence of, look at two green, then red, two green. We have red after it. We have another two green here. I'm expecting a red candle, but I'm not going to take the trade until we come to the seller's entry. In fact, if I had known, I would have waited for this round number. You understand? But this area is still a good seller's entry. You understand? If you want to know what seller's entry is, you can see we have seller's entry, seller's entry, seller's entry. If price comes here, we know sellers will respond. You understand? And above that round number will be a sweet spot for the sellers to enter. But this might just be a very good trade also. So based on that, the seller's entry, we have market sequence. You understand? We can take our trades. It's beautiful. It's lovely. You understand? And that's how we take our trades basically. So it's just as simple as that. It's nothing too serious. You get it? We have another entry up here. If price comes into this entry, we're going to take a trade because the QM entry. So if we have a push to the upside and breaks above this round number and enters this entry, we will take a rejection trade here. It's as simple as that. So now I'm going to go with I'm going to divide this into two. Then I'm going to go with 3.15% of our balance. You understand? So you can see the way I'm reducing the. Normally, I would have gone with 12.5%. Half of 12.5 should be, let me see. Half of 12.5 should be 6.3, thereabouts. You know, it's not exact. But if you divide it to this 6.25, if you divide it further, it's 3.13. You understand? This is how you use dynamic money risk management. You understand? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, still not clear. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm really very sorry. You know what? Should I reset and everybody will join back? Should we do that? If you want us to do that, if I can get 10 yeses, I would clear everything, then we will reconnect. Should we do that? Because I want all of you to. Yes, okay, I have one yes. If I can get 10 yeses, I'm going to. Okay, it's getting better now. Okay, fine. So that's not a yes. Okay, we have two yeses. If I get up to 10 yeses, I'm going to. I truly like the way you explain, but the network. Okay, we have three yeses. No, like you cannot give me more than one yes, Victor. Okay, MFM is giving more yes. Victor, all your yeses are still counting as one. So we have 4 yeses now. So if we have enough yeses, okay. Okay, you know what? Oh, mine is laughing. It's true now. MFM, okay. A lot of you really want us to reset. All right, you know what? Let's reset quickly. Just stay online, then we'll just come back immediately. In about maybe 3 minutes, I'll be back.